Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. Today we're continuing our fruit series, and this time we're going to crochet a super cute strawberry. This little strawberry is bright, sweet, and perfect for beginners. You can turn it into a keychain, fridge magnet, or just a lovely decoration. Here are the tools you'll need for this project. We'll be using 4-ply cotton yarn. We also need a 2.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a stuffing tool to help shape your strawberry, a yarn needle, and a stitch marker. Now let's start crocheting the strawberry body. First, choose your favorite color yarn. Make a magic ring. Then crochet 5 single crochets into the ring. When you're finished, gently pull the yarn tail to close the circle. Next, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish this round. Then chain 1 to begin the next round. From here on, we'll use the same method for each round. Slip stitch to close the round, then chain 1 to start the next one. For round 1, chain 1 to start. Work an increase in every stitch, which means 2 single crochets in each stitch. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch if it's hard to recognize. You'll have 10 stitches in total. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. For round 2, chain 1 to begin. Work 1 single crochet. Then 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 5 times around. By the end of this round, you'll have 15 stitches. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. For round 3, chain 1 to start. Work 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around. By the end of this round, you'll have 15 stitches. Slip stitch to close the round. For round 4, chain 1 to start. Work 1 increase, followed by 2 single crochets. Repeat this sequence 5 times around. You'll have 20 stitches in total. For round 5, chain 1 to start. Work 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around. Slip stitch to close the round. For round 6, chain 1 to start. Work 4 single crochets followed by 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 4 times around. You'll have 24 stitches in total. For round 7 to 9, chain 1 to start. Work 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around. Slip stitch to close the round. For round 10, chain 1 to start. Work 2 single crochets, then 1 invisible decrease. To make an invisible decrease, insert your hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches, yarn under and pull through, then yarn under again and pull through both loops on the hook. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. You'll have 18 stitches in total. For round 11, change to light pink yarn. Chain 1 to start. Work 1 invisible decrease, then 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Slip stitch to close the round. You'll have 12 stitches in total. Now, fill the body with polyester fiber until it is nicely shaped. For round 12, chain 1 to start. Work 6 invisible decreases. Slip stitch to close the round. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Use the yarn needle to weave through the remaining front loops and pull tight to close the hole neatly. Here the body is done. If you want to make a strawberry with a chocolate dipped version, simply pick brown yarn and crochet up to round 4, then switch to pink or red yarn and continue following the pattern as usual. Next, let's work on the leaf part. Start by picking your green yarn. Make a magic ring, then work 5 single crochets into the ring. Pull the yarn tail gently to close the ring and slip stitch into the first stitch to finish this round. Now we'll create the first leaf. Chain 4, then skip the first chain. Insert your hook into the back bump of second chain from the hook and make 1 slip stitch. In the next chain, work 1 single crochet, and in the next chain, work 1/2 double crochet. To finish this leaf, insert your hook back into the second stitch of the round and make a slip stitch. That completes 1 leaf. Repeat this same sequence around the magic ring until you have 5 leaves in total. Take your time and keep the stitches relaxed so the leaves look neat and slightly curved. Once all 5 leaves are done, gently adjust their shape with your fingers. And that's it. The strawberry leaf top is complete and ready to be attached. Next, let's work on the stem. Start by making 4 chains. Skip the first chain from the hook, then insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. Continue working slip stitches in the next 2 chains for a total of 3 slip stitches. Cut the yarn, pull it through to fasten off. Sew the stem onto the top of the leaf piece first, making sure it sits nicely in the center. Once it's secure, attach the whole leaf and stem piece to the top of the strawberry body. Adjust the position if needed, then sew it firmly in place and hide all the yarn tails neatly. And that's it. Your cute little strawberry is complete. Here, the strawberry base is done. Let's add some cute details to our strawberry. First, embroider the eyes on around round 6. 4 stitch between both eyes. Then, add a pair of little pink cheeks right below the eyes for that sweet, happy expression. Next, using a contrasting color, like white or yellow, embroider tiny seeds all around the strawberry. Place them evenly so it looks nice and natural. And that's it. Your little strawberry is all finished and ready to brighten up your space. You can also try making it in different colors for a fun twist. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. Don't forget to experiment with your favorite colors and stay tuned for the next fruit in our series. Happy crocheting!